Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me, and on today's show, we're featuring peas. Chef, what are we making today?
We're just gonna go ahead and do a quick rice dish that has mushrooms, a little mint, and we're gonna sear some scallops to put on top.
Oh, delicious. We've got some water boiling, about 1 inch to 2 inches in a pot, and all we're gonna do is pour the peas inside the steaming basket.
We've seasoned up the scallops. We're getting them into the oil. We brought the oil up to a smoke point. That's how you know it's hot enough to go ahead and sear something.
It does. It smells wonderful. And I think our peas are close to finish. So. Again, so super easy and safe for new moms. And with the peas, you can add water or breast milk.
Breast milk is great. Any way you can offer breast milk to your baby is a really healthy option. And I think this is such a clever idea because as you're making food for your family, you can set aside some healthy choices to make some food for your baby as well.
If a mom is using water for the first time, do you suggest distilled water or tap water? Is there a difference?
I think it depends a little where you live. You can check with your local pediatrician to be able to advise you on that.
Okay, great. All right, so you're just going to blend that up, make it nice and smooth.
All right, so we've added cremini mushrooms, a little oyster mushrooms, white button mushrooms really work great. I'm going to chiffonade a little mint right here.
And those mint leaves you can add to the puree, again, as the baby progresses.
I'm going to go ahead and add some peas to it, and I'm just going to let this kind of cook. What I like to do is I'll take a few sprigs of thyme, just drop those right in, a little bit of lemon juice in there, and I just kind of swirl that pan around. And so we're pretty much ready to go.
When children see their parents eating healthy, it encourages healthy habits for them. So this is a great meal that they can share.
I love how this was so easy and how you use the same peas that we used to make our puree, and it was done in about 10 minutes. I mean, any mom, any dad, any caregiver can do this.
Easy, healthy, convenient.
Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.